Let me ask you a question. What is it that you really want out of life? Is it just to say that you were here, that you watched, that you saw, but you never conquered? Every day I scroll through social media and I see posts from people living their best lives. Some real, some fake. I scroll through social media and I see people advising other people on how to become successful. They tell you, click here, click there. But let me ask you this one question. What is it that you've shown me to make me believe that I should follow you? What is it that you can actually bring to the table rather than just a point and click? Why is it that I should listen to you? I ask myself these questions when I scroll through social media and I see a bunch of posts from people who want you to believe in them. But honestly, they've given you nothing to believe in. Hopes and dreams, everybody has those. Wishes, things that you think may work, things that you want to work. Now, there's a lot of people out here that plays on the heartstrings of people. They want you to believe that it's possible, even if it's not a reality for them. Me personally, I look at life a little bit different. Yeah, I may not be the richest entrepreneur, but I do well for myself. Yeah, I may not speak like the gurus, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. Me, I might not just point and click at every other side hustle that I've never even tried, but I'm gonna tell you to do it. No, that's not me. I stay focused. I stay focused on what I know work and what I actually do. Now, when you're thinking about partnering with someone, there's a few questions that you have to ask yourself. Why them? Why now? And what have they done to prove to me that they're worth following? I ain't got too much to say because I'm not a big talker. I'm all about action. My mentor said before, years ago, he said, you see that I'm a businessman because I'm at my place of business. And on a daily basis, you see the work that I personally put in. I don't show you these things just for my personal entertainment. I show you these things because I want you to understand who I am. I want you to know the person behind the post. I want you to see that I'm an everyday person, but I'm different from the everyday person. See, the everyday person wants you to believe that they're special, but they don't do anything special. The everyday person wants you to follow them, but they give you no reason to follow them. Me, I'm different. I can show you all the work that I've put in. And you can see that work just by scrolling through my social media feed. Nothing's hidden. Nothing's fabricated. So the next time you think about who you're going to do business with, take some time before you click the link in the bio. Scroll through the social media. See what it is that they're really about. Do they have anything that they can actually teach you? If not, then why are you following them? See, me, I'm different. If you ask me, what can I show you? The better question is, what can't I show you? I showed you how to create content. I showed you how to create animated videos. I showed you how to build websites. I've showed you how to start your own talk show. I've showed you how to create your own blogs. I've showed you so many other things. And that shows you that I'm qualified. I'm somebody worth following. I'm somebody worth listening to. You make the decision yourself. When you see those posts telling you to click these links here, think to yourself, if that person's told you 10 different links within the last 2 days, think to yourself honestly, have they even tried it themselves? Have they become successful clicking those links that they've told me to click? And then come to the realistic conclusion, the honest conclusion. No, they haven't. Everything that they're telling you to do, they haven't done it themselves. So why would you follow somebody like that? Yeah. I've retired from the game of feel-good posts. I've retired from the game of playing these games with these gurus. It's time to get real. It's time to get serious. And it's time to follow the people that actually put in the work and can show you and can actually teach you real skills to help you become successful. Now, if you're a person that's looking for the real, then you found it. If you're not, keep scrolling.